my name is Liane, and today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to make your own super storyboard. I'm starting in the Storyboard Creator where I've already begun making a story. All of our art is up here at the top in different categories, beginning with scenes. These are all of your backgrounds. You can drag the slide bar to explore the dozens of scenes under each category. You can further narrow down your search using this handy filters button. When you find the scene you're looking for, simply drag it down into the cell and let it go. All of our scenes have Smart Scene options. Click Edit Scene to make changes, such as the colors and other aspects. The next category is Characters. All of our characters start blank, but you can customize everything about them by dragging them down into the cell and clicking Edit Pose. Here you can change the colors, such as hair and skin, and even clothing. You can quickly change the pose of your character here with a preset pose, and you can also customize the pose further on the left. When you're happy, click Update Pose. To give your character something to say, look under the Speech Bubbles category. Drag down a speech bubble and start typing away. You can highlight the text to change the font and the size. When you're done working for the day, simply hit Save and Exit. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and happy storyboarding.